What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
Today we're kick talking about
the Nike Foamposite Doernbecher Freestyle. This guy. This guy. The Doernbecher Freestyle Foamposite, right? This is a special edition, annual drop that Nike does with the Doernbecher, Oregon, Children's Hospital. And this is a really special and sentimental project. The way they do it is top notch. And we'll get into the details of the shoe and the design of the shoe. But before we do all of that, Nigel, if their first time here, man, what should they do?
You need to ring that notification bell, because you know we coming with the heat. You know you want to get it first, because that's how the shoe business works. So just come, ring the bell, and do that, and pull up to the videos, and we'll be straight. Thank you.
Pull up. Thanks for the support. And if you've been here before, we appreciate the support and the love. We are appreciating everything you guys are doing, helping us grow our channel. Thanks for rocking with us.
Yeah.
All right. So, yes, the Foamposite Doernbecher Freestyle for 2023. Of course, they've done these for a good while now. Back in, I'm not even gonna give you a back end, but they've done these for a good while. And this is a collaboration. Again, the Doernbecher Children's Hospital. They have children involved in the design of the shoe. I'm gonna just get right into it.
Right.
So this designer of this shoe is
they
Coley.
had the kids making the shoes.
Yeah, well, not making them, designing them.
The
kids making them is like a whole different thing.
Yeah, they probably got that too.
Nah. They got this kid, Coley Miller. Now, the story of Coley, she is 9-year-old little girl. They live out in, she's Native American. They've lived on a reservation. She had a very rare kidney disease and had to get a kidney transplant that her mom was able to match and donated a kidney to her. So she is on the road to recovery and doing really well.
Tough.
Yeah, but she was chosen to participate in this design program collaboration that they do with the hospital, every time they do these drops. Usually they do a big auction for a lot of the pairs, like some of the pairs that, of course, those funds go towards the hospital and research of what they're doing. They had an actual drop of these on the sneakers app. There was a whole series. So they had Foam Runner, the Vomeros, Air Max. They did what else? The Jordan 1 Low that was really dope.
All designed by the kids.
By the kids, yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah. So this is the one we got our hands on right now to do a review of. I really wanted those Jordan 1s, but wasn't able to cop them. But they also dropped these in select neighborhood boutique stores. So they said neighborhood stores. This was a downtown locker room, and here in the Baltimore area, they dropped in, a couple locations here. So I was able to get our hands on a pair to review. So let's just get into it, man.
Yeah, first off, the paper comes with a sticker.
Yeah, the freestyle.
You get a little freestyle sticker just right off the top of here.
Yeah.
Hold on.
It's stuck on.
Oh, it's stickered.
Yeah, don't pull it off.
Oh, I'm not gonna do that.
You thought it was like an accessory. Nah, but the paper is nice, right? The box is nice and it's blue. Totally different than a traditional Nike box that you see.
Yeah.
And then we'll get into the design, man. And this is a very different design. Take a hold of that. And we can look at the Air Foamposite 1. And this is the Doernbecher 2023 variety, done by little Coley Miller.
Wowzers.
Yeah. So very different, right? A totally different colorized shoe. She basically said a lot of the inspiration, it came from the sky. I mean, if you look at this blue on the side here, clearly it's got
some inspiration.
Yeah. It's very, you see the kid kind of aesthetic to it, right? Like the colors. It's very, again, she's Native American, so I know this area around, this print that's on here is like some tribal print and some not Aztec, but like some basket print and some other things she mentioned in that. On the pull tabs of the shoe, there's actual basketballs.
Hard.
Yeah. On the front and the back. She got basketballs on the heel and the front tab of the shoe, right? Which is pretty cool.
It is tough.
And this white paneling here actually changes color in the sunlight.
What?
Yeah, it turns to like a yellow. Yeah, I've seen it online.
With the print?
This whole strip, the white turns yellow.
Oh, that's tough.
Yeah, to give it a different look.
That's hard.
And these are similar, they kind of remind me of the Galaxy foams, which we're here in the DMV
that's
area.
what I was thinking.
Yeah, the Galaxy that had that starry sky on the side.
Right.
Yeah, it's got that same schematic. Yeah, these are very similar to the Galaxy. They're just darker, but these are, here in the DMV, Foamposites have been huge since, the 90s when they dropped. And of course, the Foamposite debuted in 1997. And of course, it was Penny Hardaway. That was his signature shoe. But I also found out recently that initially Nike was planning on making the Foamposite Scottie Pippen's signature shoe. But they changed that up somehow and went with Penny Hardaway.
Why?
I don't know. He was like a new rookie sensation.
Imagine Scotty with the foams.
Yeah.
And Mike Penny with the Jordans.
Yeah.
And they playing on the same team.
Yeah. I mean, Scotty had his own, he didn't have necessarily a Scotty shoe.
He didn't.
But he had like the Nike that was his kind of, that he wore.
Okay.
That became associated with him, but it wasn't like a signature.
The foams though.
Nah, foams, right. Foams have been iconic for a long time.
Hey, well, good for Penny though.
Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. Let's see, man. The shoe itself, you got this yellow, like inner sock line of the yellow and blue, which is dope. And then on the bottom, I mean, the sole itself, you got this huge, carbon fiber that kind of runs the full foot of the shoe.
And
so this shoe on the bottom says "Just Do It," right?
Just do it.
Just do it here.
And
then this one,
I don't know what this says.
Yeah, this one says "Homas G," which is her Native American tongue, and that means "Just do it." And
cook.
She said
cooked.
Right. She's like, let me do that in both languages. So "Just Do It" and "Homas G," which she's a part of the Klamath Tribe. Right?
She's a part of the Klamath Tribe.
Klamath Tribe.
And that's the language.
The native, their native tongue.
Right.
Yep. Homas G. Homas G. Just say that when
Homas G.
Homas G, right?
Right.
So yeah, man, that's the shoe. I think it's different. The colors are nice on their own.
Yeah.
It definitely has like a kid vibe to it, like the way the colors are made. I mean, she was able to design clothes like her own.
Really?
Like she had a backpack, shorts, I think a pants and t-shirt. Was able to give design to that.
Yeah. She better be getting some compensation.
I mean, I think it's kind of like an award. Like money goes back towards the hospital and their project and what they're doing.
Good.
You know what I mean? And she gets, she got a picture on the box, man. Like
she does have a whole shout out on all those shoes.
Yeah, on all of them. And her name is on some of the stuff too, like on the merch for sure. And it's the inside. Look at the insole. Right.
Coley.
You got your name on the shoe.
That's tough.
Yeah, man. So that's a lot. Yeah. So she got her name in the shoes. And I think the Foamposite, for the people that love foams, they can love foams. You know what I mean? Any foams that drop, people are on them. And also like just the OG sneakerheads, because again, these dropped in 1997. So that late 90s, early 2000s era, guys that love these, people that love these, love them. I mean, I've never owned a pair of foams.
Me neither.
And these aren't my size, which is all good. But these are going to somebody else. But, I wanted to review them for the channel. And I do like them. I do like foams in general. And they're, the price point on foams. Let's talk about that for a minute.
All right.
So in 1997, they dropped and they were like $180. So they were like the most expensive.
Yeah.
Most expensive Nike
like
out. And, and now, I mean, these are like, I think this was a $240 price point.
Oh, wow.
And now with today's dollars, you got fours that are like $220, $225. But yeah, $240, almost $250 for foams. Because they say that, these are more expensive to make because of all of, it's one big piece of this, all of this foam part.
Yeah.
There's a lot to make, and then there's multiple air units inside. So it's just a difficult shoe to make, which is why it's still up there in price point.
I was going to say, like, the demand doesn't seem as crazy.
Yeah, but I mean, look at the shoe is solid.
Right. I understand that.
It's a lot.
This is just a block.
And this shoe's like a tank. It'll last forever.
Right, yeah.
It'll take a lot to break this shoe down. But the sole is nice, man. I love the, the accent colors.
Yeah.
And this, this kind of translucent-esque blue.
Yeah. I like that.
Kind of a dope appeal. Dope
Galaxy,
effect.
I love.
Yeah.
It's definitely like kiddish, which I like though.
Yeah.
Like, the basketballs on the, what's these?
Those like the pull tabs.
Yeah. The basketballs on the pull tabs, like the print and stuff. It has some like childish tones to it.
Yeah.
But it's also like, it's hard too.
Yeah, it's
so
still tough.
Like it.
Yeah, I agree, man. And initially when I saw these, I was like, I don't know if I dig them. But the more I've looked at them and having them in hand, I'm like, they're a special shoe.
Right, they're a special shoe.
And the sentimental piece, that's a big part of it too.
I don't expect people to, what I'm saying, like walk around like on a regular day with these, but like
special occasions and doing some things. That's it. All right. So brass tacks, man. What's your rating on the shoe? He was talking a good game.
I'm gonna give him a 10. Shout out Coley Miller. Everybody go check out her stuff because it's hard, and this is a 10 out of 10 shoe.
10 out of 10. Look at you. That's all in the field. Just from sentimentalness. Would you wear them though?
For sure. I put these on my feet any day.
Yeah?
Yeah. All the Coley Miller merch.
All right. I like it. I like it. Do I believe you though?
Bro, if you don't put on some Coley Miller, bro.
All right, man. All right. I'm with you. I'd give them, I'd say for me personally, my style, I'd say an 8. But as an effort and the design of what she did an awesome job.
She did cook.
I do love it.
Cook.
You know, really nice shoe, really nice design. Just not my personal style aesthetic.
Right.
That's all I'm going to say about that.
I think it would match your personal style aesthetic perfectly.
All right.
But it's all good, though.
All right. If only they were my size and they're not. Oh, well. So what do y'all think about it? Do you dig these Doernbecher Freestyle Foamposites? Let me know in the comments. Hit us up online on Instagram at Real Daddy Z, Twitter, all those types of things, and come back for the next episode. We will see you then. Peace.